Understanding hair raising in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll explore the phrase, hair raising. It's a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversation. Let's hop into it and find out what it means. Hair raising is a play on words. Firstly, let's understand that a hare is an animal similar to a rabbit. So, if we take the phrase literally, it might mean to lift a hair up or to take care of and raise a hair. But in English, phrases often have meanings beyond the literal. The phrase, hair raising, is a pun on the term, hair raising, which describes something that is very scary or exciting. It's like saying something makes your hair stand on end. So when someone says, hair raising, they might be making a joke or pun, usually in a context involving actual hares or rabbits. Let's see how this phrase might be used. In a scary story, the tale of the ghostly hare was truly hair-raising. In a joke or pun, the race between the tortoise and the hare was not just exciting, it was hair-raising. English is full of animal-related idioms that have a figurative meaning. Like, cat got your tongue, means someone is unusually quiet, or wild goose chase, which refers to a pointless pursuit. Recognizing these will greatly enhance your understanding of English expressions. We hope this video has been enlightening and a bit fun. Hair raising is just one of many playful phrases in English that show the language's love for wordplay. Keep an ear out for similar expressions, and you'll become more proficient in English in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.